Hey guys, Uncle Pip here. Welcome to the June 2025 Big Adventure Vlog video. We got this, and this, and our bag's blowing away. This. Here's the deal. This video is going to be filmed over the course of several days. We have a lot to cover. Also want to give you an update on what I'm thinking. The channel is going to make some changes. I'm going to start focusing on different series, a series of series, a series high, series squared. Anyway, each series is going to be different. Obviously, I'm going to keep going the Big Adventure vlog every month. That's kind of important to me. It's a good way to give us an update, the heartbeat of the channel. But in addition to that, the new series that I'm starting, I'm going to start working on a Honda SL70 motorcycle. That is coming soon. I've already started filming it, and what it is it needs work. I'm going to start working on it. I'm going to document me working on it. In addition to that, I'm also going to give you updates with my house. Right now there is no updates on the house, but eventually there will be. I'm going to get a garage, and then I'm going to take apart the Jeep, and we're going to restore that together. So that'll be a different series. So look for a Jeep series. Well, I already have the Jeep series. Look for updates in the Jeep update videos. Those are going to start coming out. And you're also going to see a series about the Honda SL70 project. Don't know the name of that project yet. Just call it the SL70 for now. For today's video about the Big Adventure vlog, I'm going to the Reading Airshow in Reading, Pennsylvania, and I'm going to take you along with me. Also bought a new Jeep trailer. You're going to see that. And those boxes you saw me pull out, well, we're going to work on that right now. They have magnetic cup holders, so I'm going to put those in my Jeep. I want to have cup holders in the Jeep. Let's do this. I want to show you real quick my new trailer. I just got this a couple days ago. From my understanding, it's a Bantam T3. In case you're like me and wondering, that's a wood board here to give it shape. You can kind of see it in there. But yeah, that's my second Bantam trailer. You see the first one in the background. I bought a new tarp. So we're going to put the tarp on. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I want everything to be tarped up and ready to go. Kind of like that one. There, what do you think of that? I kind of like it there. This could go in the back seat too. That's the best investment I've made for the Jeep so far. Cup holders. Alright, it is now Monday, June the 9th, 2025, and this is the last part of the farm installment of the channel. I'm going to move the shed, I'm going to break the shed down, and I'm going to get rid of it, and then I'm done. You're going to watch me do it.